under maintenance depressurization, essentially.
Okay.
That new double block and bleed and the existing bleed that we're tying into. Yeah.
Okay.
So is that considered even a credible? Like I say, if we're following procedure, we know we're depressurizing one bullet. It's bullet number one, whatever. Right. All the other bullets are therefore those three valves are as per normal operating procedure in the closed position. The only way that there could be some form of, if we call it misdirected or more flow, it would be more essentially in that, but you'd have to do that. It's not necessarily misdirect. Well, it is, because that bullet that someone's opened these valves, it would be normally producing. However, it's then diverted via these valves to depressurize to flare. So for me, I think we're spending a lot of time on something that is going to be governed under procedure, and they would require, like I say, someone to open at least three valves outside of normal procedure.
Okay,
so maybe then we go back to just go back and then you just write what was mentioned there that we said.
So here,
only, as per the depressurization philosophy, only one bullet will be purged or depressurized at a time, and all the other ones will not be involved.
Yeah, so let us define here. We have defined the cause: misdirected flow to other LPG bullet during manual depressurization. So consequence is misdirected flow to other bullet leading to the process subset. I will say not credible scenario, I will remove it. And then I will put this is a safeguard. This is a safeguard here.
That I think what we're saying is that let's go back to where we said we will only be depressurizing one bullet at a time, and the likelihood that you can have a misdirected flow is not there, because you have such many valves that somebody needs to misoperate the valve somewhere else.
This is negligible. Likelihood is rare. So is this correct, Sylvester? Is this correct? Statement. Misdirected flow to other bullet leading to process subset, right?
We're already saying that this, I think, from where we started before. Let's say it's not a credible scenario because all the other bullets will not be part of the operation.
Is not a credible scenario. Correct. And we'll say that why not credible scenario? Because we have positive isolation.
Because one bullet at a one time.